Let's talk about a problem topic, flood hazard areas, flood maps. When I talk to you as agents or brokers, I'm always saying, let's be the source of the source. Don't be the person giving opinions about whether it's in a flood hazard area or a floodway. We want to make sure that we send our people out to talk to people who are qualified and competent to talk about these issues. That could be a floodplain administrator, it could be the county, or it could be a surveyor. Now, we do have an instructor with Agent E-Learning, Kirsten Crawford, who is going to cover surveys and flood hazard areas. Watch for her classes coming up.